Hi, I'm Angus, welcome to another video. Today we're going to put this on my back bumper of my car. It's basically just to protect it. What I'm going to use is I've got a spray bottle, which I'm going to put water in just to spray it because you can move it around as you glue it on. I've got an alcohol wipe, and then just to get all the air bubbles out, I'm just going to use a credit card type thing, a plastic card, just to smooth it over and get all the bubbles out. So let's see how it goes. Here is the bumper of my car that I'm going to put the vinyl bumper protection film onto. The vinyl protection film is basically just like a big black sticker. The sticker is best applied between 15 to 30 degrees centigrade. If there are parking sensors and the film is going to go over the parking sensors, you'll need to trim your bumper protection around the parking sensors. It's really easy to buy the protection film. I bought this from eBay and it was £10. Okay, now it's time to fit this big sticker. I'm lifting the boot up just to get better access to the bumper. You can see all the stuff in my boot that I regularly take in and out, so the bumper sticker will help to protect the bumper and avoid it getting scratched. First of all, I'm cleaning the bumper and making sure the surface has no dirt or grime on it. I'm just using soapy water and a sponge. And now I'm just wiping it dry. Here's the bumper protection sticker. I'm going to put the sticker in place just to make sure I've ordered the right size. Yep, that looks right. Now all I'm going to do is clean the bumper with an alcohol wipe. This actually came with the sticker that I bought online. The alcohol wipe will just get rid of any grease or oil that may be on the bumper. It's as simple as just wiping it all over. This is a little spray bottle that came with the bumper sticker, which I've filled with water. I'm just spraying this all over the bumper to make sure that it's nice and damp and wet. Now I'm taking the backing film off. It just peels away really easily, and I'm going to take it off fully. Now I'm placing the sticker over the bumper and just making sure this is in the right position. But don't worry it's not, because you can always move it around afterwards. I'm just placing this onto the bumper. I'm using this plastic card to rub across the surface and to take out any air bubbles. I'm just rubbing this on smoothly in one direction. It takes a little bit of scraping and massaging, and you can see the air bubbles underneath the black plastic film, and you can see the air bubbles just coming out. It also just needs a little bit of massaging with your hands just to get the air bubbles out. Here is a bubble right here, and now I'm just scraping it and then massaging it to the edge of the sticker so the bubble just comes out. Now I'm just wiping this over with a dry tissue to get off any excess water that I've sprayed. Just a few air bubbles left, I'm just massaging these out. Great, that's all done. I've got all the bubbles out and it's nice and smooth. And you can see how simple and easy it is just to put the black protection film sticker on the bumper, and it looks actually quite good. Now I don't need to worry about scratching the bumper when I'm putting stuff in and out of my car, because this will protect the bumper really well. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for some more videos.